Okay, now the function f of x is square root of 2 times x here. The easiest way is to separate it into the product of square root of 2 and square root of x here. So square root of 2 is a constant. So antiderivative of this, the whole things here, will depends on the antiderivative of square root of x, right? And antiderivative of x, where we see that x is 1, x to the 1/2. Therefore, antiderivative of this will be x to the 1/2 plus 1, right? And then multiplied by 1 divided by the power here, which is 1/2 plus 1, which is equivalent to 1 divided by 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, x to the 3 over 2 here. And 1 divided by reciprocal of this guy, it becomes 2 over 3, x to the 3 over 2, or 2 over 3, x cubed squared. So this is antiderivative of square root of x. Therefore, antiderivative of f here will be capital F, right? And the square root of 2 does not affect to this. And antiderivative of square root of x is 2 over 3 square root of x cubed, right? And that's it. This is the solution. Oh, perfect. And plus C. Thank you. The most general case where C is a constant. Thank you. That is one way to solve it. And with this, it is a lot easier than considering the things with 2x, because with 2x it's confused a lot, right? Or another way, remember u to the n plus 1 derivative, it will be n plus 1 u to the n multiplied with u prime, right? Therefore, u to the n will be un plus 1 derivative here, and divided by n plus 1 u prime here. From this, our derivative is antiderivative of 2x, square root of 2x, right? It will be, and if you denote u as 2x, then u prime will be 2, right? So from this, antiderivative of this guy will be u to the n plus 1, which is 1/2 plus 1, because here is 1/2, divided by the power here, 1/2 plus 1, and multiply with this guy, u prime, which is number 2 here, or u, we know that it is 2x, and here raised to the power of 1/2 plus 1, which is 3 over 2. And here, 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. And number 2 here, in short, it becomes 2x 3 over 2 divided by 3, right? And we see that this is exactly the same as the result we found here. They are the same thing. So antiderivative of square root of 2x is 2x 3 over 2 over 3 plus a constant. This is another way to solve it that is harder to see.